Now, with tensions rising along the line of actual control, Indian forces are all set for battle of the mountain tops. The troops of the Indo-Tibetan Border Police are specially trained in mountain warfare. Watch this exclusive ground report by Abhishek Bhalla from Leh at the ITBP. Jawans are all set, geared up to be deployed in the conflict zone.
Line of actual control remains on edge. While there is already heavy deployment in Ladakh, increasing tensions call for more backup to join the forces. The Indo-Tibetan Border Police that stands guard along with the army is all set to send in fresh deployments.
These ITBP troops are all set to be deployed at the line of actual control in eastern Ladakh amid the ongoing tussle with the Indian and Chinese forces. They are all ready, they are undergoing rigorous training to make sure they are set for all challenges to take on the Chinese belligerents.
Mountain warfare is a different ballgame, and that's exactly what the troops are wargaming. The rugged mountain tops and treacherous terrain pose as a big challenge as combating the enemy. But that won't impact the morale of these braves.
The fight of occupying mountain heights, that's exactly what is happening at the line of actual control in eastern Ladakh as of now. And these troops who are fresh and will be deployed in some of these friction points are exercising exactly this. We can see the rugged nature of the terrain. It's extremely difficult to breathe here. We are at around 12,000 feet.
The troops carry out the mock patrols meant for taking over the heights at 12,000 feet, but the real challenge is at heights more than 15,000 feet. In the backdrop of gunshots being fired for the first time in 45 years and both sides bringing in their tanks and artillery guns, it's going to be a hot winter for troops at the LAC.
The last few days have turned things extremely volatile, and even though there is a dialogue which will continue between the military commanders as well as diplomats, it seems that things are only going to hot up in this winter in eastern Ladakh. With camera person Satya, this is Abhishek Bhalla for India Today in Ladakh.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.